In this video, you'll learn how to master mindfulness techniques that can lead to a stress-free life in 2024. Whether you're juggling work, family, or just daily life stressors, I've got some awesome tips that can help you find your zen. So, let's dive right in. All right, let's get real for a moment. Many people struggle with stress and anxiety in their daily lives. It's like this constant cloud hanging over us, right? We often feel overwhelmed by all our responsibilities, work deadlines, family commitments, and even social obligations. It can get pretty intense. Sometimes it feels like we're running a never-ending race, and the finish line keeps moving further away. This is where mindfulness comes into play. But first, we need to acknowledge that stress is a part of life that we can learn to manage instead of letting it manage us. Mastering mindfulness can literally change your life this year, and I'm about to show you how to do it effortlessly. Did you know that practicing mindfulness can reduce stress levels by up to 30%? Imagine what that could do for your life. Now, let's explore some practical mindfulness strategies that can help you tackle stress head-on. First one, meditation. You don't need to be a monk or sit in silence for hours. Just a few minutes a day can work wonders. Start by finding a quiet spot, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your body relax with each breath. Next, let's talk about deep breathing. This is a game changer. Whenever you feel that wave of stress crashing in, take a moment to pause. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This simple technique can ground you and bring you back to the present moment. Speaking of being present, let's not forget about the power of just being in the moment. Whether you're enjoying a meal, going for a walk, or even just sitting in silence, try to soak in your surroundings. Notice the colors, the sounds, and the smells. This practice can really help you appreciate life's little moments and reduce anxiety about what's to come. Integrating these mindfulness techniques into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few minutes here and there can make a huge difference. The key insight here is that mindfulness is not just a practice, but a way of life that can fundamentally change how you respond to stress. It's like having a superpower. Instead of reacting to stressors with anxiety and panic, you'll find yourself responding with clarity and calmness. This shift in mindset can transform your day-to-day experiences. You'll start to notice the little things, the laughter of a friend, the warmth of the sun, or even just the comfort of your own home. It's all about creating a space where you can thrive, not just survive. So by adopting these mindfulness techniques, you can significantly improve your mental well-being and lead a more peaceful life. It's all about taking those small steps and making mindfulness a part of your daily routine. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, I'd love to hear about your mindfulness experiences in the comments below. What techniques have worked for you? And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.